Okay, let's start this off. We got a 2011 Dodge Journey, 3.6 liter engine oil cooler adapter. I've already checked it out. Yeah, it is bad. But we need to kind of rush it because him and his son are sitting there waiting. So, of course, the first thing you do when you gotta rush something is grab the camera and see what you can do instead of just doing it, you know? Okay, you're going for a ride. You're going for a ride. Don't have a whole bunch of space to work with today. I have no idea where that song came from, but I'm still going with it. There's no barb on there, so I just push them off usually. Okay, that's accessible on this one. Nobody's flipped it over and put it way at the back. That out of the way. We still got that in the way. Why did I put that away? That. Are you going to stay out of the way on this guy? Probably not. Let's just check it for sanity's sake. Is it tight? Kind of. They don't have to be extremely tight, but they do have to be tight. It says 7 to 9 millimeters. Well, never had a whole bunch of luck. Come on, get off of there. Yep, there we go. You can stay there. Still recording, yeah, we're 3 minutes in. They should be just a bit tighter than that, but that works. We got 210, now we got 110, and it's finger tight, so whoever was in here last time, thank you. Those two are tight. Not super tight, but tight enough that my fingers couldn't do it. Then, over here, there should be a plug connector on there, but there is not. Or connector, retainer. Put that down there. the caravans that got the wiring harness. This is a journey. It'll have this stud holding this line here. And that one was too long, and I can't loosen that, so that guy. Should probably unplug that before I lean on that too much more. Snap it off the air box or something. Oh, don't we? Go behind it if it'll let us. No. Why? Why will you not let me go in there? Flip the wrench over. That's loose, so we should be able to move that back in just a second. You don't have to take the nut off this hose or nothing. But you kind of go. This one's a little bit more snug than the other ones. It's not the greatest way to do it, but it works. And then we've got that. Get that safely out of the way. Pull this off. There's no mouse damage on it yet, so we'll put that back on. That leaves a little bit to be desired for how tight it should be. Might be why this was leaking. Another shop did it like a year ago. And people hate it when you say, yeah, another shop did it, but it's true. I got an invoice that proves it inside the car. Customer did not want to take it back to that shop. They want to do it here. I don't know why. It's around a year. It might still be under warranty. That one's tight. Cross-threaded just a little bit. Oh, God. They should be just a little bit tighter than that, but that's okay. These last two are not bad. And no, I won't be showing the invoice from the other shop because it has a watermark on the back of the invoice that shows where it's from. Okay, now I'll just do injectors. I should probably grab a flashlight or two. Got some new Amazon ones. Now Was that washing the screen out? I don't know yet. Let's see. Oh no, that's not terrible. Ow, finger. These are the Lyle knockoffs. I don't know why. I don't really like to buy name brand tools until I break the cheap ones. Come on. There we go. Yes. Now we spray fuel everywhere.
How it calls this program on server?
On what?
On server, how you say this?
Oh, co-star. Cool. And she's boiling a little bit. Oh, that guy. Spin you out of there. Come on, stay up there. Stay up there. Come on. Oh, yeah. One more connector on the bottom. Or retainer. I don't know. I always say connector. Whoa! Spraying everywhere. This car needs a lot of cleaning, so we're not so worried about that. It's just making sure nobody gets injured in the process. Because there's just oil everywhere. No coolant in there, okay. Get you out of the way. No oil in you, okay. We're golden. Here. Golden. Gonna be golden. Oh. I don't think it's that one, but nope. Next. That one's got a crack in it. Okay. We're changing it anyway, but this has a Dodge part number on it, so it's either a good clone from AliExpress or it's a Dodge one, which it shouldn't be leaking within a year unless they install it wrong or that AliExpress option. How much pressure is in that cooling system? Not terrible. Yeah, make more mess on the floor. You stay like that. That one will work. We're just gonna leave this on here. Ooh, that's a bunch of oil down there. This is gonna go in a bucket over here. I can show the customer off their car. Okay. I'm not gonna record me cleaning this out because it's a vacuum powered whatever fluid extractor, and that's just annoying. Just kidding. Listen to the sound of my people. Sorry, I shit. Clean up these perfect. Okay, there's that. I'm not gonna bother spraying brake clean down there. It's gonna dry up real quick. I've made them look perfect, but nobody looks. So it's basically just for you and me. And we go down there and wipe off where the ceiling surfaces are. Just to get them so that they're nice and fresh. Okay. And I've already showed it before, so if you want to check out that other one, I'll see if I can leave a link somewhere up there. I don't know how to do that yet, but I'll give it a try. And we'll show putting it together.